Hey guys, Knife Addict here with an EDC video. So first off, got my Fox wallet. I really like this wallet so far. It's really skinny, fits in your pocket really good. Then, got my phone. My survival bracelet that I made. Camo. And then my monkey fist necklace that I made. And on to the multi-tool. Switch off between these. So first we got my Winchester gray multi-tool. Then my Columbia blue multi-tool. Open it up here. It's got really nice grip there. This one actually has a flashlight built into it. There. Just a little guy that works. Then we have my big multi-tool there. Usually I don't carry that one. One of these two I usually carry. Now on to the knives. So for my little secondary knife, carry my SOG Micron 2 Tanto point there. It says quad because I got this with the rest for my bow, so it stands for Quality Archery Designs. It says in the back there. Then got my Swiss Army knife, which I've already done a review on. For a neck knife, I carry my Survivor, Hawker Survivor knife, or a boot knife. I carry that sometimes. Then we got my Kershaw Shuffle, which is probably my favorite knife out of these ones. I love opening this thing. It's really smooth. And I've already done a review on this. So multi-tool, the bottle opener, and the screwdriver. So there is Knife Addict's EDC.